This channel is gaining millions of views, and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Today, we are immersed in the fascinating world of creating motivational videos, in which artificial intelligence plays a key role. Find an amazing quote on the internet using Google. Check out the GPT chat and request 5 motivational quotes for your YouTube short films about business, entrepreneurship, and achieving success in life. Does the third quote look perfect? Just copy it. The first step has been completed and your motivational quote is ready for use. Now let's move on to the second stage, voiceover. We will use the magic of artificial intelligence to convert text to speech using a website called 11 Labs. There are many voices available to you here, male, female with different accents. Just select the appropriate voice and insert your motivational quote to create an exciting audio phone. Don't forget to click the Create button when the voiceover is ready, and save it by clicking the Download button. Let's move on to the next stage, choosing the background music. We will use a website called Pixabay, which provides many copyrighted music tracks that you can use absolutely for free in your videos. Choose music by genre, mood, or just enter keywords that match your motivational video. Take some time listening to different tracks to find the one that is perfect for your content. When you find a suitable track, just download it. Let's move on to the fourth stage. Your video will gain additional appeal. Take a look at a website called Pexels. This resource contains an extensive library of free videos and images that can be used in projects without copyright concerns. Go to the Pexels page and find videos that match the theme of your project. You can search for keywords such as success, motivation, or determination. Use keywords in Pexels to create the best visual effects. Go to Pexels, select Filter, and set the vertical option. Then select the appropriate video and click the Upload button. Following these steps, you can download all the necessary materials for your video. To create an inspiring video, we have everything you need. Now let's combine all these components using a video editing application. We chose CapCut, a free and easy-to-use editing application. First, import all the necessary elements that we created earlier. Now that everything is imported, let's start editing. First, add the voiceover to the editing timeline. Then add background music right under the voiceover text to create a suitable atmosphere. Let's add some subtitles to make the video even more spectacular. Just click on the text and select Auto Captions. Now select the language to English and click Create. This will automatically generate subtitles based on the audio in your video. After generating subtitles, you can edit them to match your vision. Choose the appropriate font style and color for the subtitles so that they are in harmony with the overall aesthetics of the video. Next, add animation to make subtitles more expressive and attractive to the viewer. After completing all these steps, now you can export the video. Thanks for watching.